Let's take a ride. Looking for a safe way to transport bicycles on the roof of your Mini? Simply mount the Mini roof bike rack on your Mini's roof rails or railing carriers to carry all kinds of bikes. Preparation is everything. Place the rim guard over the tooth belt on the roof bike rack. The end of the belt goes through the buckle. Use the key to open the lock on the front lever and remove it. Now unlock the fastening wheel. Push the barrel nuts into the openings of the one rear and the two front locking levers. Perfect. Guide the short sliding block through the opening of the rear base plate and screw the rear locking lever onto it from above. Guide the long sliding blocks into the openings on the side of the fastening wheel. Screw the front locking levers onto them. Halfway there. The carrier bars are mounted on your Mini. Now open the side covers. Remove the rubber strips. Time to mount the bike rack. Align the sliding blocks around the center of the carrier bars. Insert the sliders into the rails of the roof carrier bars and slide the bike rack in position. Spot on! Turn the locking levers to secure the bike rack on the bars. Then press each locking lever down forcefully until they engage with an audible click. Fixed. Close the lock in the front locking lever. Done. Switch it up. By default, the roof bike rack is designed for loading from the right side of the car, but it is quickly modified for loading from the left-hand side. See? Easy. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.